Well guys, we finally got the back porch cleaned out and ready for some more demo. Previously we did some work on the outside, cut away the bottom of the wall, put some new piers in, and core filled them. The piers are drying right now, so let's get to work on the inside while those are drying. As you can see, our floor is not level right now. It's looking like a roller coaster in here. So we're gonna do something about that. So I was hoping I could. Okay, ready? Go on the end with mommy.
Right here, somewhere. Why? I wasn't even lifting it yet.
Okay, ready? Pull this cut through here. Well guys, we did it. We got the floor out. Well, that was quite the job, but it feels good to get that done. All that rotted wood out of here. Now we're just clearing out some of the old piers. You can see it's nice and open. And getting ready to set the new beam, set the new joists. This is going to be beautiful in no time. We didn't run into any surprises. It went pretty smooth. It's actually amazing how deep this crawl space is. You don't realize it when you're under there. You don't realize it when you're under there crawling around, but standing in it without the floor here, we got a pretty deep crawl space, and that's good. So as you guys saw, we got the floor out of the way. That feels good. The piers are hard and ready for the new beam, which is right here. I just got that cut and ready to put in. So let's see if we can wrestle that into place. Let me just see if I can do it or not.
Let me undo it.
Push it on there. Okay. Just keep it right there. Keep it right there. Push on it. Make sure it doesn't fall off. Okay. We got it up there.
Now, let it go.
Yeah, it's okay. I got it up there. Looks good. Now I have to get it level. These piers aren't totally level, so there's a little room for shimming. And we gotta get our flashing cut. So we're gonna put flashing on top of the blocks, some shims to get it perfectly level. And if I did the house right, when I level this with the other side here, it should be level straight across to the rest of the house here. So I hope it all lines up. Okay guys, I got the beam in. Looks good. It's pretty level. I checked it, so I leveled it going off the beam over here. And I went straight across, and then I checked the height of this to the height of the beam behind you, and I'm only 1/8 of an inch difference from the top of this beam to the top of that beam. That's not bad. That's actually really good. That's close. So that means I'm going pretty good, because I mean over the span of the house, it's looking good. Now I might be able to fine tune it and get it closer. That 1/8 of an inch isn't a big deal, but I want to get some weight on it first, because right now it's just a floating beam, and when you put weight on it, it's going to compress. Like right now, it's not even touching these middle two piers, because the beam has a little slight crown to it, so it's bowing upwards. And I want to get the floor joists on here. Once I get weight on it, it's a lot easier to level because I can see exactly where it's going to sit. So I guess right now I'm going to start preparing for the floor joists. You can actually see our bathtub right here. A lot of people have asked us if we have a bathroom while we're doing this renovation. Yeah, the house has another full bath that's fully functional. We're going to renovate that too when we get to it, once we get our bedroom, bathroom fully functional. You can see there's a little nest in there. Somebody's been in here. We haven't seen any mice in the house, so I'm not worried about that. It's probably an old nest. That's done. So now you can see I can set the joists right here like these. Set them right across onto the other side. I'm done for now. We got to buy some wood. I'll have to buy another beam for that outer wall. Get a bunch of floor joists. We'll get this framed up in another day. But we're ready for the next step. So, thanks for watching. And until next time, take care.